Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. So whenever you are, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you are watching this video. So here, back at this point, here is a 4-bedroom house with a kitchen, a sitting room, a dining room, and 2 bedrooms are en suite, of which another bedroom, they don't have a public toilet inside this house. They have a toilet outside the house. So we have done this, we are just giving you a house tour. We have done with our electrical work, even though it's not yet lighting, but I will show you that's the procedure on how we are. So behind, like you can see, this is the beautiful entrance that you can see over here. We have already done our painting work. I think I have shown you this entire video from scratch up to this point. We have done our molding work. Like you can see, it is done perfectly. Whenever you see over here, and then even our painting work, it's over here. And then our molding on this is the beautiful entrance that you see over here that we design it so as to have a beautiful welcoming whenever you enter this house. And then I've forgotten, I want to appreciate for our followers, our subscribers who are reaching to us so as to have a construction maybe advice, or whoever wants to build a house. So I will let you inside and then you see. So over here, this is the beautiful entrance, this is the corridor, this is the veranda, this is the front porch that you can see over here. You can come and show them how we have done. We have installed there our downlights, like you can see. This is the downlights, of which we'll install. We will just have testing, and then I will give you a full house tour. These the downlights are 3-in-1, of which they are warm, white, and warm with white. And then over here, you can show them. As usual, we always install a double socket outside this balcony so as to have, maybe you can have your charging point whenever you feel you are bored inside the house. You can come outside here to have fresh air. And then I welcome you. This is the door, like you can see. It's a Chinese door. Most of them, we call it Chinese door. We imported it, like you can see, for us to have a total maximum security. Whoever have to come across this door, he has, let's say, he has a bit knowledge of how secure it is. So you will come inside. So when you are coming inside, this is the corridor. Like you can see, it has only single corridor. Like you can see, we minimize a space. We didn't want to waste a lot of space on this house, so we have only a single corridor that you can see over there. And then, like you can see, we have installed our downlights, and then there's a wall bracket that is over here. Like you can see, this is the wall bracket, of which there are 2. So this is the first one, and then the second one, it's on the other end over there. I will show you when I'm going out there. And then here on right hand, this is the sitting room. Like you can see, it's quite spacious. Like you can see, its environment is welcoming. Like you can see, we have this beautiful entrance lighting point. This is a hanging chandelier. Like you can see, we have already installed it. It's only remaining to power it on so as to have that a beauty over this area. Downlight, we have installed downlight. Like you can see, we have done it, and then we just went with a simple. We always advocate for simply just a simple thing. No need to have let's like an abnormal thing or something harder. And then over here, like you can see, this is the wall bracket that we went with on this sitting room. Like you can see, this is the wall brackets. So there are 3. So the first one is over there, the second one is over here, and the third one is up to the end over here. So the only thing I think it's remaining upward, it's only a fan, and then the snake light that is only remaining. And then on the other side, this is the TV stand. We call it a modern TV stand that we went with. Like you can see, it has a socket. Like you can see, this is the socket. And then here we'll install our internet cable. This is the internet cable. Like you can see, we have already provided it. And then this is for aerial outlet, of which will come to put their provision here over there. And then here, this is another double socket. Maybe you want to charge your phone, you can just come and have it here. You will put on, and then you have your here over there. And then this space that you see over here, this is the space for firework. I think firework or firelight, the small thing that we always see on the house that you see that like it's burning charcoal. We'll come and then install it over here. So we have already provided the provision earlier on, like the provision of it earlier on, and then we went with this PVC. This design of over here, and then this is the marble, like you can see over here, and then at this end, this is the shelf that you will come and you have, maybe you have flowers, you will come it and arrange over here your flowers or anything, only decoration that you will have to put here. These are the panels that we installed there. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing. And then when you come, this is the dining room. Like you can see, it's spacious over here. It's just, I think it's just enough for this entire house. Like you can see, we just installed this beautiful hanging chandelier that you can see over here, so as to have whenever you are eating, you are spacious. You just feel free when it comes to lighting point. And then we install our downlights. Like you can see, this is the downlights. We already installed it, and the only thing is running snake light and the fan. And then the wall brackets, they are over here, of which there are 3. So the first one, the second one is over there, and the third one it's over here. And then this is the beautiful serving window. This is the beautiful serving window that is over here, so as to have a communication between whoever who is kitchen and the sitting and this dining room. And then over here, this is the socket that is over here that will be providing power to this dining room. And then here, like you can see, this is the sitting point that is over here. So we went with this silver switches color, like you can see, so as to bring that let's say that picture to be like just smart. So I will let you to the first bedroom. So I will let you to the first bedroom, of which this is the first bedroom. And then all our doors, like you can see, we have installed let's say, like you can see here, our door. This to have a maximum security on this area. So, and then like you can see, this is the first bedroom, of which it's each measurement I think is for 17 by 17 on this for this house. Like you can see, it's quite spacious. Everything, it's already fitted. Like you can see, this is the sliding window already. They are cooperating, it's working. Like you can see over here, we already fitted it well. And then this is the grill design that we went with. And then on this other end, this is the wardrobes. Like you can see, we have already installed our wardrobes. Like you can see over here, it's all done. Like you can see over there, this is the drawers for maybe installing a certificate or anything else. And then when you come at upper, like you can see, we installed this beautiful full moon to that, so that to have that lighting point, the solution for the lighting point for this house, so as whenever you are inside, you don't need to have to switch on your light. So this full moon will provide sufficient lighting. And then we have done our wall downlights. Like you can see, it's already working. And then here, even we have installed our socket over here, that will be over here, of which we always install 2, and then the other one will be over here, that will come and install it tomorrow, God willing. And then this will be a provision for our strapper. So guys, I will let you to the second bedroom, of which the second bedroom there's someone inside, so I will not show you inside. But this bedroom that you see over here, it's of same design with the first bedroom. So I will give you full house tour when it's done. So this is the second bedroom that the second wall bracket that is on this corridor. And then on this side, this is the sorry for the, I think it's late, so sorry for the it will need us to switch on the light. So this is like you can show them, this is the pantry. over this for this provision for this store. So this is the pantry. Like you can see, we have already done our this provision for the maybe to installing your food stuff over here. And then over here, this is the kitchen, guys. Like you can see, this is the kitchen. Even though it's on LED, but we try to have so this is the kitchen. Like you can see, we have done our high level installation for this kitchen. Like you can see, it's quite amazing, guys. The owner appreciated so because he has already sufficient storage capacity for his kitchen stuffs. Like you can see over here, this is another one. Like you can see, this is the big one. And then this empty space, this one here will be for microwave, and then here will be for oven. So he decided to she told us that he has a microwave, and so we had to provide it earlier over here. And then here, this is the drawer. Like you can see, where you can maybe install your glasses over here. And then here, so here we'll come and then install our cooker unit that will come and then arrange it over here. So it will come and then fit all inside this space that you see over here. And then this is the worktop. Like you can see, we have done with we went with this marble. Like you can see, it's like a black in color that like you can see. And then here, this is a double sink. The double sink that you see over here, so as to have sufficient maybe let's say a place to wash your kitchen stuffs. And then here, this is the low level. Like you can see, we have already done the provision for it. It's just quite amazing, guys, whenever you see. So if you want such design or such this house design, and then even this kitchen layout, you can call us and then we'll have it. We'll come and then install it for you whenever you are. You will just call our number. It's 0746289667. I think no need, I will no need to exit, but let me take you to the second bedroom, third bedroom, and then I'll relate you to the master bedroom, of which, like you can see, this is the beautiful entrance that separates with our master bedroom and this this third bedroom. And then over here, let's assume that this is for Shurak. Let's say for Shurak, maybe the owner for this master bedroom and the one will be using this third bedroom, he'll come place it his or her own shoes over here, arrange here, and then maybe you have some just handbags, you can just have to place it over there. So if you have maybe like handbags, you can come and put it over here. And then on this, so this is the third bedroom. Like you can see, the door are of same design with the one for the entire house. So I will let you to this sitting room, to this third bedroom that is over here. We have already done our interior work. Like you can see, we have done we have installed our downlights that you can see over there. So the only thing remaining will come and install our chandelier at the center over here. And then if you turn back, you will see this the wardrobes that is over here, so as to have a minimal storage for this house. And then over here at the center, we have a dressing mirror over here. So we have done a quality work, like you can see over here, so as to whenever our clients feel this, let's say that this house, we can call it for maybe a retirement house. Whenever he retires, he will come home safely and then have a beautiful home. And then this one, this is the toilet for this house. Like you can see, we just, like you can see, this is the tiles, this is the tile pattern that is over here, and then this is the shower that is over here, and then this is the stopcock that will be operating this our shower. And then here, this is the toilet that we assume maybe whenever you have like a little child, you can come and have this. You can use this one. And then here, this is another one of which is the bigger one for maybe for our adult people, of which we already installed our shower, our Arabic shower over here. And then this is the sink for this house, for this WC, this washing room. And then I will let you to the master bedroom. So like I show you, this is the door, like always. The door is of same design. This is the master bedroom, guys. Like you can see, it's quite spacious. Have a larger window, like you can see over this video. And then on this other side, this is the wardrobe. Like you can see, this wardrobe runs from here, guys, going up to this end over here. I think it's like 14 or let's say 14 feet over here. This is only for provision for clothes only. Like you can see, we have just added here some beautification. Maybe you have some your oil, perfume. You can just install. You can just place them on this and here. And then here, like you can see, this is the lighting point of this house. Like you can see, it's just small and simple. So this is the house. This one will be using. Whoever will be the owner will be using that for provision for the light. And then like you can see, we already installed our wall brackets, like you can see over here. And then our dial lights is even we have already installed. And then here, this is the dressing room. Like you can see over here, we have another dressing mirror. Like you can see, it's over there, the dressing mirror. And then you have even our another storage for whichever you will be using. And then on this side, he has another provision for the whoever, like this, for suits or maybe whichever way we'll be using that. But this for at least enough capacity for to hold his her own clothes. And then here, this is the toilet for this master bedroom. Like you can see, this is the shower that we went with. Like you can see, it's over. I think it's not yet working. We have not yet installed our water. So this is the Arabic shower that is we'll be using, and then this is the shower and then this is the tiles of which they resemble the one on the other bedroom. And then over here, this is the toilet. This is the toilet for the master bedroom. Like you can see, it's just simple. I think you can see it's working. It's working over here. And then this is the hand basin. Like you can see over here, I think it's this hanging. It's a hanging basin. Like you can see, this is the provision. Sorry. So this is the, you can maybe install. You can just put here your brush or something else over here. And then this is the dressing mirror. So guys, up to there. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel, so whenever we post this incredible content, will be the first one to be uploaded to view. So make sure you turn that the bell notification on, and then I will thank you later. So let's meet on the next video, God willing, when we have finished. The next video I will show you will be, this entire house will be lighting. I'll show you the whole lighting system of this entire house. So let's meet on the next video.